Today I'm showing you how to screen record on Instagram on your Android device to capture stories and posts. Let's get started. Step 1. Update Instagram. Make sure you have the latest version of Instagram app installed on your Android phone. Update it from the Play Store if needed. Step 2. Open Instagram. Open the Instagram app by tapping on its icon. Step 3. Navigate to content. Go to the Instagram story, reel, or post you want to record. Find the content and pause or keep it ready. Step 4. Quick settings. Swipe down from the top of your Android screen to open the notification panel and quick access menu. Step 5. Find screen recorder. Look for the screen recording icon in the quick settings tiles. It usually looks like a circle with a dot inside or a camera icon labeled screen recorder. Step 6. Start recording. Tap the screen recording icon. A pop-up may appear asking if you want to record audio. Choose Record with Device Audio if you want sound, or No Audio for silent recording. Step 7. Confirm recording. Tap Start or Start Recording. A countdown may appear, 3, 2, 1, before recording begins. Step 8. Return to Instagram. Swipe up or tap the back button to return to Instagram. The screen recorder is now capturing everything on your screen. Step 9. Play content. Play the Instagram story, reel, or video you want to record. The screen recorder captures everything in real time. Step 10. Stop recording. When finished, swipe down from the top again and tap the screen recording notification or tap the stop button that appears. Step 11. Access recorded video. Open your gallery or Photos app. The recorded video is saved in your Screen Recordings or Movies folder. Important notes. Screen recording captures everything on your screen, including notifications. The person whose story you record won't be notified. Respect privacy and copyright when recording content. Recording quality depends on your phone's screen resolution. And that's it. You now know how to screen record Instagram stories and posts on your Android device using the built-in screen recorder.